Good morning, my advanced math students. I'm now going to walk you through what you will do for math today. The first thing you will need to do for math review is to go to my course, More Math 1415. Once you get to my course, you will then click on the number system. Our math review today will be a little bit different than what you're used to in the classroom. If you will scroll down the page until you see Math Review Games, you will click here first for your math review today. You will need a piece of paper. Your job today is to complete these 3 games using the instructions I have written on the side. The first game is called Integer Game 1. For this game, you will complete 5 problems. You will write down each problem and the answer on your notebook paper. So you will click the link and it will take you to the Color Chips Addition Integer Addition game. You will just hit run if you get a pop-up box. Okay, so you will follow the instructions on the screen and you will do 5 of these. Once you're done with 5 of these, you will then go back to our Canvas page. The next game is adding fractions. You will click the link, and for this one you will complete 3 problems. You will write down all of your scratch work on your math review notebook paper. So you'll just get here, hit start, and you will do all of the scratch work on your math review sheet. 3 of those. After that, then you will play a conversion game, and you will complete level 1 of this game. So once you get here, you can read everything it says to do. Then you will hit the start button. Your job is to put all of these different values into their correct spot to match up fractions, decimals, and percents. So each one should have 3 bubbles inside of it once you match them up. Okay, it's very similar to what I'm doing here. So I'm almost finished. This will give you an idea of what you're going to do. Now it may take you a little bit more because I know most of these by memory. And you're just going to make sure you can match up all of these bubbles, then you'll hit check. And then you are finished with this game. The only thing you will need to write on notebook paper is any scratch work that you have to do to convert the fractions to decimals and the decimals to percents. So once you're done with that one round, you are finished with this game. Okay? And that concludes math review. Once you are finished with math review, you will go back to the home page. And remember that you have to have your Hook Like Math stuff turned in. That is your, on here, your Amazon problems and your Then and Now project must be turned in. You can give those to Miss Sweeney and she will get those to me if you have any of those to turn in. The next thing you are to work on using your headphones or your earbuds would be Fry's bank account, and you have some work here to do. And when you're finished with this top part, Miss Sweeney will let you come down to see me and I will score that for you. And then you have some study letter work to complete here after you meet with me. And then next, if you finish both study letter assignments, the scores will come directly to me. The next you will work on Checkbook Dilemma, will be your next assignment, and you have a video, an activity, a web quest where you've got to define and illustrate some words for vocabulary, which you will bring to me once you're done, and then I have both of these sheets for you to complete when you're finished with that. And that should conclude your day with Miss Sweeney for math. You can come down to my room at any time if you need assistance. Your homework tonight will also be online. If you will go to Foundations of Math for your homework tonight, we're going to play the integer game for homework, where it says week 3 practice. It's the intro to integer addition and fractions, day 5. You're going to complete 10 problems using the integer addition website. You will write down your 10 problems and the answer for each one. You will bring your paper to class tomorrow for credit for your work. You will click here and it will take you back to the website that you used in class today for math review, because I'm laying the foundation for integer addition. So you're getting some practice. If you don't have internet at home, then you will need to be here early in the morning. As soon as you get on the hallway, you'll need to get on your laptop and get this done, or you will need to go in the math lab and get this done in the morning as soon as you get to school. But most of you have internet at home, so this should not be an issue. But you must complete 10 of these. You'll write down the problem and the answer for all 10, and you will bring this paper to school tomorrow. So your homework tonight is on the foundations page. You will scroll down to where it says week 3, day 5, and you'll click the website. All right, you may get to work.